Hello, good afternoon. This is Eddie again with Real Muscle Car Miami with our 1994 C4 wide body. It's a factory wide body turbo look car. One of 214 ever made for the American market. This is a 2-owner, all original paint, clean Carfax, no accidents, mint condition. Only has 33,000 miles. See here the flares, cup wheels, Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. Take a look at the interior. VIN tags on all the panels and doors. Original radio. Look at the seats. There's like no wear on them whatsoever. Walk over to the front. Doesn't have any damage on the front bumper, which is very common in the 964s. It gets bent upwards. This one doesn't have it. Go ahead and do a startup video. Bear with me just a moment. Alright, here we are. We're inside. I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start for you. Start it up. Go ahead and look at the motor. It runs phenomenal. Go ahead again and look at the driver's side of the cabin. Alright, shut it down. Show you inside the hood. Gold plating, it's got the option codes here. Grand Prix white. It's got little tools. Spare. VIN tag. Alright, well. Our website's www.realmusclecar.com. Again, my name is Eddie. My phone number is 786-377-4331. Thank you for watching.